Diolch. Right then. Wing walk. Fyna. Hiya, fi yw Daf a dwi'n byw yn y Rhondda. A os chi fel fi, ni'n gwneud dim byd am y flwyddyn a hanner diwetha, just eistedd lawr and eat crisps all day. Fi wedi penderfynu gwthio fy hun allan o'r comfort zone fi. Fi ddim da much of an adrenaline junkie, mwy Kit Kat junkie. It'll be a laugh, fi'n siŵr. Do it for the lols. Chi'n mynd i roi fi on top of a plane. Byddai'n strapped in, yeah? Oh, fi ddim yn neud y stance though. I'm not like sticking my leg out na. Nah, not happening. You're lying. Fi'n mynd am hynna. Fi wedi bod mid o'r blaen, ond fel lot o bobl fi brafod yn yr awyren. Dyn nhw fod yn trosio'r awyren? Fi'n like, yes, they jump. Ar hyn o bryd, fi'n like, na hyn yn batshit. Pam bydde ti'n gwneud hwn?
We're aerosacrobatics, we're the world's only professional formation wing walking team, which is really cool.
Fi ddim fel arfer neud stuff ble fi'n gorfod arwyddo who my next of kin is, I'll be honest with you. But we move!
We can do some big dips and dives. So we start 80 miles an hour and then we dive 140 miles an hour. Okay, happy?
But I mean...
So you'll be absolutely fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fi'n neud e achos mae angen her. A wen chi ddim gorfod neud e, achos chi jyst gallu watcho fi. Fi'n gwasanaethu'r cyhoedd. That's what it is. Os fi yn cwmpa off and make the news, 5 minutes of fame, then fine. Why not? Mynd for a quick wing walk. Got this. Felly neud on. Do it. Bloody exhausted. Y bywyn swept. Fi'n teimlo fel fi wedi bod i'r deintydd. Fi'n gallu brasu'r beans hanner ffordd lan, but
Good?
yeah, fab. Fi'n like mas o wynt. Pryd ni'n dipo lawr, like 10 out of 10, sgei nas when we were dipping down. Oedd hwnna ddim yn nice. Fi wedi ymgorffori bywyd y deryn yna. Nesa, hoffwn i gael nap. Enw fi lawr fyna, cos you know, smashed it. Fab, thank you.
Do you reckon you'll ever do it again?
Yeah, I think I would.
I'll hold you to that.
Dafydd Veck. What the Veck? We out.